Something is stirring in the land of the rising sun. For decades, Japan has been defined by its pacifist constitution, but now, the world is watching as it unveils a new era of military technology. The geopolitical landscape is shifting, and Japan's rapid military evolution is causing unease from Washington to Beijing. The United States, once the clear protector, now wonders how Japan's new strength will alter the Pacific balance. China sees a historic rival rearming, viewing these developments as a direct challenge. What are these weapons that could reshape the future of warfare? Hypersonic missiles, stealth fighters, and railguns, technologies once thought to be science fiction. Tonight, we pull back the curtain on Japan's secret arsenal and what it means for global security. Imagine a weapon traveling at over 5 times the speed of sound, maneuvering unpredictably through the upper atmosphere, nearly impossible to intercept. This is Japan's new hypersonic glide missile, a leap in offensive capability. Unlike traditional missiles, these glide vehicles skip through the atmosphere, changing direction at will, making them a nightmare for current defense systems. Missile defense systems like Aegis and Patriot are rendered nearly obsolete by this unpredictability. These weapons give Japan a powerful deterrent. Any aggression could be met with a swift, unstoppable response. The ability to strike deep within enemy territory before they can react is a game changer. Japan's hypersonic program is a direct response to similar advances in China and Russia. By developing its own arsenal, Japan ensures no adversary can act with impunity. The speed of these weapons compresses decision-making to mere seconds, raising the stakes and risks of miscalculation. Military leaders must now rely on automated systems and pre-planned responses, adding new dangers. Japan's pursuit of hypersonic technology signals its intent to secure its own destiny. No longer content to rely solely on the US security umbrella, Japan is forging its own sword. The era of the unstoppable arrow has begun. The world is watching to see where it will be aimed. Air superiority means seeing without being seen, and Japan's FX stealth fighter is redefining that principle. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a radical redesign to rival the world's best, including America's F-22 and F-35. The FX's shape and radar-absorbent materials make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. But it's more than stealth. Advanced sensor fusion gives pilots a complete view of the battle space, sharing data seamlessly with allied forces. Its new engine allows supercruise, supersonic flight, without afterburners, covering vast distances quickly and quietly. Japan is also developing loyal wingman drones, controlled by the FX, to scout, jam, or attack, multiplying its power. This project signals Japan's readiness to be a true partner in regional security, not just a junior ally. To China, it's a clear message. Japan will not concede control of the skies. By leading this development, Japan is ensuring technological sovereignty and cultivating a new generation of defense innovators. The FX is more than a fighter, it's a symbol of Japan's future in military aviation. Imagine launching a solid metal slug at 7 times the speed of sound using pure electromagnetic force. This is Japan's railgun, a weapon that obliterates targets with kinetic energy alone. Unlike conventional cannons, railguns use electricity, not explosives, making them safer and allowing ships to carry thousands of rounds. Mounted on destroyers, railguns could shoot down missiles and drones or strike land targets from hundreds of kilometers away. The cost per shot is a fraction of traditional missiles, making it a game changer for both defense and offense. The main challenge: generating and managing the immense electricity required and dealing with rapid wear on the rails. Japan has already test-fired a medium-caliber railgun at sea, proving the concept. The focus now is scaling up and solving durability issues. If successful, Japan's railguns could provide unmatched naval firepower and missile defense. In the crowded Western Pacific, this technology could tip the balance at sea. Japan is determined to win this race. The railgun is no longer science fiction, it's becoming a reality, and it could redefine naval warfare. Beneath the Pacific, Japan's new Taigei-class submarines are rewriting the rules of undersea warfare. Their secret? Silence, thanks to revolutionary lithium-ion batteries, allowing them to stay submerged and undetected for weeks. Extended underwater endurance means they can gather intelligence, track enemy fleets, or ambush targets without surfacing. Armed with advanced torpedoes and harpoon missiles, these subs can strike from the depths with lethal precision. Future upgrades may include long-range cruise missiles, turning them into strategic platforms capable of hitting land targets. In the complex waters of East Asia, these submarines can create no-go zones for enemy fleets, protecting Japan's vital sea lanes. Japan's submarine crews are among the world's best, and its shipyards have a century of expertise. The Taige class is the culmination of this legacy, a silent guardian beneath the waves. China's expanding navy is the main driver behind this push for undersea superiority. For an island nation, a powerful submarine force is the ultimate deterrent. These subs ensure Japan's maritime security and strategic edge. The deep is now Japan's domain, and its adversaries know it. The future of warfare is autonomous, and Japan is investing heavily in AI-powered drones. High-altitude, long-endurance drones provide constant surveillance over contested regions, tracking ships and aircraft in real time. These drones give commanders a critical edge. Persistent intelligence without risking pilots. Combat drones, including loyal wingmen and loitering munitions, can scout, jam, or strike targets, overwhelming enemy defenses with coordinated swarms. Artificial intelligence enables these drones to identify targets, navigate, and make tactical decisions autonomously. For Japan, drones are a force multiplier, offsetting a shrinking population and military recruitment challenges. This technological edge allows a smaller force to have a much larger impact. Autonomous systems are now essential to Japan's defense strategy. The age of networked, intelligent machines has arrived, and Japan is determined to lead. In the age of hypersonic missiles and drone swarms, Japan's new shield is made of pure light, high-energy laser weapons. These systems can shoot down rockets, artillery, and drones in seconds, offering near-instant low-cost defense. On land, truck-mounted lasers protect bases. At sea, they'll be integrated onto destroyers, complementing existing defenses. Each laser shot costs only the price of electricity, flipping the economics of missile defense. Adaptive optics technology keeps the beam focused even through rain or fog. Lasers can engage multiple targets rapidly, making swarm attacks far less effective. As Japan perfects this tech, lasers could also be used offensively, to blind sensors or disable enemy systems. This is a direct answer to cost-imposing strategies by adversaries. Laser weapons are a critical layer in Japan's defense, protecting against fast, complex threats. The shield of light is no longer just science fiction. It's a reality, and it's changing the battlefield. Japan is forging a new kind of shield for a new era. In modern conflict, the first shots are fired in cyberspace, not on the battlefield. Japan, once seen as a cyber laggard, is now rapidly building offensive and defensive cyber capabilities. New unified cyber units are training to infiltrate enemy networks, disrupt command systems, and neutralize threats before they reach Japan. This active cyber defense means hunting threats abroad, not just waiting for attacks. Cyber warriors could disable enemy radars, corrupt targeting data, or shut down communications, winning battles before they begin. The challenge: recruiting and training top talent in a global race for cyber expertise. Japan is investing in education, competitions, and partnerships to build its cyber force. Cyber warfare is now central to Japan's military transformation. In a connected world, controlling information is the ultimate high ground. Japan is determined to seize it. The digital battlefield is now a front line. We've explored Japan's new arsenal, from hypersonic missiles to silent submarines and shields of light. Together, these technologies mark a deliberate transformation. Japan is emerging as a major military and technological power. This shift is changing the balance in Asia, countering China's rise and signaling a new era of partnership with the US. The days of relying solely on American protection are ending. A more complex, multipolar security architecture is emerging in the Pacific, with Japan at its heart. Will these advancements keep the peace, or spark a new arms race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.